Hello everybody, welcome to the Creafoam channel. My name is Hans. In this video I'll show you how to finish a hat with a feather boa. First of all, we take both ends of the feather boa and we cut off this piece of rope. It doesn't look very nice if you leave it on like this. We'll take this crown and finish it with this feather boa. There's a rope inside, so when we use the glue, we're going to try to push the rope onto the glue so that it's attached very firmly. So I've pulled this feather boa around this crown, and now I know what piece I'm going to need, so the rest I'll cut off. So for this crown, it's not necessary to glue the whole length of the feather boa. I'm just going to glue both ends and it will stay inside the crown. For other hats, it may be necessary to glue the whole length of the boa. Not for this one. I'm at the back of the crown and I'll use this glue gun. Just apply some glue and stick the feather boa on the glue. We still have some piece of feather boa left, and we can use this to glue on top of the hat. So here I'm going to apply the glue on the whole length of the boa so it stays where it should be. That's it for this video. As you can see, it's very easy to use a feather boa to finish a hat. You can see other crowns here and other finishing materials. We do have other videos on how to do that, so be sure to check those out. Thanks for watching.